Ready? Number 24. Cleaning up for group meeting. Now, teacher Angelica makes an announcement that it is time to put away the things we're playing with so that we can come to a meeting. Now, what happens is that Bryn and Henry, they have some toys in their hands. But they don't put those toys away to get ready for the meeting. They just drop their toys right onto the ground and they start running around the room in circles chasing each other. Now, is that helping get ready for the meeting?
No.
No, it's a problem. It's stopping our plan. So what's going to happen next in the story?
We came over and put it away.
Oh, wow, you used this power. Do you know which one this one is?
Yes.
Which one is this?
Initiative.
Initiative. Do you know what that one means?
Helping, helping someone, without, your dad or your mom sweeping it up.
Helping someone without your dad or your mom sweeping it up. Helping someone when you know what to do and no one has to ask you. So guess what? James and who's that again? Who's that? James and Arlo. They saw Henry and Bryn with their silly selves running around the room instead of getting ready for meeting. So they swept over and they picked those toys up, right? And they put them away. Can you show how they did that? There we go. We got them put away. Now, is the problem solved yet?
No.
Oh man, Henry and Bryn, they're so silly. So what should happen next in the story?
Guys, can you please stop running?
Oh wow, was that you, James, who said that?
Me.
That was extremely powerful words. What? What's going on, James?
I wanted you guys to stop running and dropping the toys that you had in your hand.
And did they use this power?
Yes.
And did they use this power?
Yes.
Man, you solved that problem really, really well. And you were a super helpful, powerful friend in this story. So then did they all go to Circle and have a good time, or were there more problems after that?
There's more fun.
I thought so. What happened that? So they said, okay, we'll stop running. We'll get ready for Circle Time. And they went over to Circle Time like Angelica had first asked them to do. But then what happened?
They turned into lava monsters.
They turned into lava monsters?
And then they turned the teachers into lava monsters.
And then the teachers became lava monsters.